Good day, guys. The cat Z here. Trying out my new avatar while I'm at it. Let's have some more fun with Lego Harry Potter. Last time we finished year 5. Where am I supposed to go now? Oh, gold brick. Awesome. Okay, so where is Nick? Where am I supposed to go? Cool, me and Dumbledore. Hey, let's go see what are we supposed to do. Main mission or main quest. Awesome. That means collect as many stats as possible. 1 of 5. Cool. What? Letters? Awesome. Oops. What? More letters. So I guess I can destroy you completely. No more stats through there. No, not Dumbledore. That part. Anything I can do with him? Something is still giving me stats. Awesome. Stand closer. Can I get past you, please? Go. Ah. I still need to find more of those little, what do you call them? Dwarfs? Blue stuff. Go. No, I do not want to drive in that thing just now. Can't do anything with that. As far as we know, we're only on our way to Slughorn, so I guess I don't need all the stats. It's nice to have, though. See if I can find any more of those little thingies. Can't get in there, okay? Oh, there's another one. No, not Dumbledore. Cool, 2 of 5. But they threw my studs away. But Dumbledore can do use apparition. Can use apparition points. Cool. Yes, that's one of them. Oh no, but I needed to get into that yard. Still. What else can Dumbledore do? Cool. So now I might be able to get into the yard next door. Come on, Harry, where are you? Oh, Harry's still stuck on that side. Okay. Still looking for some of those gnomes. That's what they're called. Gnomes. Why are you holding something? On Dumbledore, jump. How am I supposed to get that? I don't suppose you have a pet? Nope. So no one to dig here. Oh, that one. The wheelbarrow's in the way, so let's move it. Can I move it? I'm going to need Harry for this as well. Oh my soul. What is in there? Okay, so I guess I need to get to the other side for that. Okay, so can I blast the gates open? No. Not from that side in any case. Nothing else to do over there. Not at this moment. Anything I can do with you or... Oh, flowers. Cool. Not if those are in the way. Okay, so how do I get Harry there? Harry, can you come here with Dumbledore, please? Nope. He's not taking Harry with him. Oh, my soul. Need Harry here. Can you do this? Nope, he's not strong enough. So how do I get Harry in here? Nope, that was on that side. Okay, that thing is breaking everything. Oh, cool, it opened the gate. Awesome. Now Harry can come in at last. Okay, Harry, I need you to do this. Oh, you open the tap. Awesome. Cool. Okay, so we still need a cauldron for that. Thank you. Now at least I can get over there. I guess that would be for the strengthening potion to do that, and the dove is holding on to someone. Let's quickly open here to see what's going on. Ooh, big lawnmower. Awesome. Hurry, get off it. Our cauldron. Cool. Okay, that was one ingredient. But now, okay. For some reason Dumbledore can't jump. Harry, can you do something about that bird? Nope, we have to do something else. Oops. Didn't mean to break things. Water fountain. Awesome. And it brought it down. Cool. Okay. Okay, so that's the second ingredient. Where will we find the third one? Since we can't dig. Anything with this? Nope. Oh my soul. All of these things out of the way so that I can move. Need to know dark magic. I guess Dumbledore doesn't know dark magic either. Nope. That was not what I asked. Do that so long. All of those. And Harry was in the way. Oh my soul. That one and that one. Come on, I need more ingredients. Are they somewhere else? Can't I get this thing? Nope. Okay, so where am I gonna find that? This I don't think will help me. Come on, I need that third ingredient. Nothing. Oh my soul. Can't do anything to this. I think we're gonna need Mr. Weasley to fix it. Anything here? Blue stud. Otherwise, not much. Where am I gonna get the third part? Oh my soul. Let's quickly go back that side. Oh no, I don't need to go that side like that. I can just run around. I guess this blue... I still need an arm. I guess this blue piece is for Mr. Weasley. Okay, so where am I going to get the arm? Don't really see anything. Oops. Holding something, and I don't see a skeleton nearby. Another flower. Okay, but we've done those, so where am I going to get the arm? Oh my goodness. No. And not Harry. I'm missing something again. Obviously. Can I get these blue things? Nope. Come on, where am I supposed to go? What am I supposed to do? Running around like this is not nice. Let's go back to Harry. think he's moving a bit faster since he is a bit younger. Who knows? Shall we empty the dustbins? Ah, cool. Putting things in the trash. Hey, let's get strong. Did you forget about... Awesome. Ah, inside where Slughorn is hiding. Cool. I wanted that stud, but since that doesn't want to work right, thank goodness it is not playing any music. Yes, I will fix you now. Cool. So we've got the doors right. Before we go to that, let's see what else is over here. Nothing. And I didn't even get all the gnomes. Sorry. Okay, so let's go through. Come on, Dumbledore. Open up, open up. Thank you.
Huh? Huh?
What am I supposed to do? What can Slughorn do? Does he know dark magic? Nope. Oh, he can transform into a chair again. Cool. One thing fixed. Come on. Oh, okay. Cool. Where are you supposed to go? Over there. Awesome. I thought this was supposed to be a muggle house, but that... Oh, maybe it's one of his own photos. More lights to fix would be awesome. In the books. You need to know dark magic. I don't know why they're showing me Dumbledore when they do that. Sorry, Harry. Guess now you're blinded. Oh, awesome. All the pieces for this. Let's fix it. Cool. What else is in here? Oh, the fireplace. Cool. Yes, please clean up all that ash. Nope, Pick it up. Come closer. Thank you. Cool. Okay, Weasley's Wizard Wheezes. Awesome. Why am I playing as Hermione? There's Ginny. Hello, Ginny. Shall we wake this one up? Can't? Okay. A lot of things behind there, a lot of stats. What are these little boxes? Oh, awesome! Like the vanishing cabinet. I can't release the pygmy pups. What can I do? Nothing yet. Remember, any Weasley can interact with Weasley's Wizard Wheezes boxes. Okay. You're not the right Weasley, I guess. Oh, my soul. No, not those two. Concentrating on that one. That's all they did. Ah. Why can't Ron interact with these boxes? Maybe. Is it a firework light? Nope. That's a lie. That's not any Weasley. Any one of the two Weasley twins, yes. Okay. Let's go upstairs then. How do I get upstairs? You're in my way. Do I need to give you something? Come on, I need to get past you. Oh, my soul. Really? Okay, so get off there for now. Can I do anything with these? Okay, got one. Thank you. On the stairs. Awesome. More magical mayhem. Up. Okay, cool. Okay, so what am I supposed to do here? That all he does. Not cool. Can't go in there. Oh, so that one has to be open to do what? Can I get in there then? Oh, cool. Nice trick. Okay, so these are the boxes you can work with. Now, where must I take you? Because I would love to wake up that guy. Where am I supposed to take you? Anywhere in particular? I'm not seeing anything. Come on. Where are you supposed to go? Give you to Neville? Who's that? That is Neville. What am I supposed to do with this? Oh my soul, I hate it when I get lost like this. Let's see. I don't have the shoes, so I can't go up. Where am I supposed to put that? Something tells me that guy has something to do with it. I can only bring it over here, so... Can I give it to you? Oh, awesome. Are you going to wake the owl for us now? Nope. Okay, so let's go back to that side. Oh, my soul. I need to get there. How am I supposed to get there? Do I have to walk a rope? Oh! Aha! That was an oops. What is this? Where are you supposed to go? I don't see any places for you. Or shall I use you to jump over onto that? Oh, it's supposed to be on that. Cool. Nice. Chose me to go that side, but I really wanted to go there. Why can't I go there? Can't get over. Okay, well, let's continue then. Fenrir Greyback. Mission complete. Awesome. Well, guys, thanks for watching. Stay safe. Have fun. See you next time.